Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel once again. And today we're going to discuss about the very important term in dental terminology and dental anatomy, that is the traits. So the spelling is just like TRAITS. So the definition of traits is very simple. It is the characteristic features by which we can distinguish between a form of dentition with another form of dentition. So there are four type of traits. One is class trait, then another is set trait, then another is arc traits, and the last one is the type traits. I will give the PDF in the description box all about that, and before that we will discuss about each type of traits. So at first we will discuss about the class traits. In class trait, here the traits means the characteristic features by which we can distinguish between the incisor, canine, premolars and molars. In class trait, we can distinguish between the features of incisor, canine, premolars and molars. So four types of tooth. Just like you can see, incisors are help for cutting of food. This is for cutting. Canines helps for piercing of food. Premolars help for grinding. And molars help for crushing of fruit. So there are various functions in each type of tooth, and they are completely others. So in class trait we can distinguish the features between each type of tooth. So this is the class trait. Then we will discuss about the set trait. You all know guys, there are two set of tooth in a human life. That is, first is primary and the second one is permanent. In first primary, you can also say this it is a deciduous teeth, and this is the permanent teeth. Okay, so in set traits, the characteristic features, what is set traits? If we say that the characteristic features by which we can distinguish between two set of tooth in primary and the permanent dentition, so that is the set traits. Like an example, you can say in primary dentition, the tooths are more white than the permanent dentition. So in primary dentition, tooths are more white. But in permanent dentition, tooth are less white. So अभी लिख देता हूँ. तो ये फीचर से अब पता चलता है प्राइमरी डेंटिशन से परमानेंट डेंटिशन में क्या डिस्टिंग्विश फीचर्स है. तो इस फीचर्स को हम बोलते हैं सेट ट्रेट्स, जो टू टाइप्स ऑफ सेट के टूथ में डिफरेंस और डिस्टिंग्विश करेगा. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड टाइप, सेट ट्रेट्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द थर्ड पॉइंट, दैट इज द आर्क ट्रेट्स. यू ऑल नो गाइस, there are two arcs in human, that is, one is maxilla, upper one is maxilla and the lower one is mandible. So this is nothing guys, is arc traits is like that, the distinguished features by which we can distinguish between the maxillary and the mandibular tooth. Just like as an example you can say, in maxillary first molar में वहाँ पे मेसियोलिंगुअल साइड में कास्प ऑफ कैराबेली रहता है. मेसियोलिंगुअल साइड टूथ का अगर डायग्राम करोगे ओक्लूसल सरफेस का, तो यहाँ पे एक एक्स्ट्रा एक कास्प रहता है, उनको हम कहते हैं यहाँ पे मेसियोलिंगुअल साइड में कास्प ऑफ कैरावेली, ये मैक्सिलरी फर्स्ट मोलर में होता है, बट इन मैंडिबुलर फर्स्ट मोलर में यह नहीं रहता, यहाँ पे रहता है बट मैंडिबुलर फर्स्ट मोलर में कास्प ऑफ कैरावेली इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. So this is a characteristic features by which we can distinguish between the maxillary and mandibular teeth. So that is called as the arc traits. And the last one is guys, that is the type traits. This is also very interesting. The question is coming exam in very much time, very important question. And last one is type traits. Type traits are nothing but guys the features, distinguished features by which we can distinguish between incisors. Means the incisors are two types, central incisor and lateral incisor. Okay, just like premolars, first premolar and second premolar. Molars, first molar, second molar and third molar. So एक टूथ के क्लास के अंदर जितना टाइप का टूथ होता है उस टाइप के अंदर हम जो डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हैं उस हर एक फीचर्स को कहते हैं टाइप ट्रेट्स. सो टाइप ट्रेट्स आर नथिंग बट द डिस्टिंग्विश फीचर बाय व्हिच वी कैन डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन द सेंट्रल इंसाइजर, लैटरल इंसाइजर और फर्स्ट प्रीमोलर और सेकेंड प्रीमोलर और फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड एंड थर्ड मोलर्स. ओके, दिस आर द सब डिविजन. So these are all type of traits guys. So this is very easy and this is most very important question in dental anatomy. तो आज का क्वेश्चन यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है आंसर भी उसके साथ, और आप चाहेंगे तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं इसका PDF भी दे दूंगा, आप वहाँ से भी देख के पढ़ सकते हैं. सो गुड बाय गाइस, सी यू अगेन.